What's up guys? Tim from Heavy Metal Off-Road here. We got our powder coated pieces in. Now, this is a Ford Adobe 2, which matches the Ford truck. Pretty darn close. Put this bad boy right here. We're gonna throw our T-slot nuts that will align with these bolt holes. We're actually gonna build it on the truck this time instead of building it on the ground and flipping it over. So the 6.5 foot bed version of the rack is 60 inches long. If we take this truck bed here, this is about 7 feet long. So if we're measuring on the Retrax from the beginning to the end, it's 80 inches. So 20 inches difference, 10 inches each side. That'll give us some room for baskets and other accessories up front in the front, and some other cool stuff in the back that we're working on. Easy assembly. These are all the tools you need. 9/16, ½ inch. Drill is faster. That's it. You see the difference in these two? The flange points to, well, your right on that one, and your left on this one. This one's gonna go towards the front, this one's gonna go towards the back. Just like that. You can put these racks on basically every single truck out there in production and of yesteryear. Because of the various mounting systems that we have, like this, or our no drill, no mod bolt-in installation. These bolts here that go into the nuts are going to be torqued to 20 foot-pounds. Since this is the foundational piece of the rack going on first, make sure you measure your reference points, say from the edge of this to the outside of the slot on both sides. Make sure it's even. That way these center holes are dead center all the way back, so those runner bars are gonna be nice and straight. Boy, I love it when this just lines right up and comes together. So easy. Even I can do it. So what I was just talking about was making sure these pieces are centered, because these are the runners that you want going straight and not zigzag, and all the chase holes for the lights will be lining up. You run your wires all the way through, nice and hidden, you won't see them. It's coming out good. We're just putting on the side panels now. Well, as we get near the end here, make sure everything is lined up, torque everything down. Okay, we just finished installing this rack. It's perfect. Yeah, the color matches, really nice. Panels are straight, it's solid. We got just enough room in the front and in the back for the add-on accessories that we're gonna do. In the back, we're gonna do some grab handles for getting up in the bed. In the meantime, you can see that the rack will bolt onto a Retrax bed cover. So go get yours today at heavymetaloffroad.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.